Welcome to my educative channel. Today I'm going to talk about this depressive sunken scar, product of a car accident. You can see here also another lesions, and the patient comes from Uruguay looking for a reparation, a reconstructive procedure for this lesion. She saw many videos in which I reconstruct this kind of lesion using a special technique. Here we can see the depressive scar, the sunken scar, and here we can see 6 months after the procedures. The scar is flattened and almost imperceptible. Here we can see in a closer view. You have some kind of a scar, you live in the countryside or you live outside, you can send us pictures. My team and we are going to study your problem, and I'm sure we are going to give you a nice solution.